Okay, we're going to put some pork loin back ribs on the grill. Got these for $10.54, $4.51 off. All right, going to open that up, wash those ribs, and season them up. Okay, now we're going to want to take this membrane off the back here. Just get your knife and kind of get it started. Let's do it this way. And take a paper towel. It should rip right off, but you get a good grip of it. See there? That way it won't be as chewy, and it will allow some of that seasoning to get in there as well. Alright, we're going to squirt a little lime on it. Now, it will not taste like lime. This lime is a natural tenderizer. Just gonna let that sit for a few minutes, and then we'll season her up. I'm using my little seasoning concoction. It is not this sweet and smoky rub, although there is some of this in there. And this stuff is really good, guys. But I was getting low, so I had to add some of my own ingredients. Okay, so don't be intimidated or overwhelmed by all these spices. I've got them. So some of them I want to use up, I want to combine. I'm going to make one container of a grill rub and put it in one of these. I love these Grill Mate rubs. This is the pork rub, this is the sweet and smoky rub. This one I prefer. You can see the difference in color. This one's lighter. It has more brown sugar in it. This one has a little bit of a kick and has more pepper in it. I think chili peppers. Yeah, the #1 ingredient is chili pepper. Red pepper, brown sugar, garlic, salt, onion, apple cider vinegar. The sweet and savory one is salt, sugar, brown sugar, spices, and herbs. I was going to say smoked salmon, smoked paprika, smoked chipotle pepper, cinnamon, and black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Very good. So I'm just going to go ahead and combine these right now. And actually, I want it in the sweet and savory container. Okay, so I'm going to there's no recipe here, folks. I'm just going to add till I'm content with the flavor. That's onion powder. Probably a teaspoon. Love this stuff. You can get it at Walmart in the Hispanic section. Chili lime. I actually may want to add more because I want a whole container full. Paprika. Whoa! That was a bunch that just came out. Alright. We'll be adjusting. Chipotle seasoning. This stuff is really good. Yeah, that was a lot too. That's okay. I want the whole container full. Whoops, that's not open yet. Woo. We're not prepared here in the FatCat kitchen. Black pepper. Now, we also have some chili powder and some chipotle chili pepper, which is a different flavor from that chipotle seasoning. Now I'm going to need to add some brown sugar. It's probably about 2 teaspoons. We'll try that. And I'm going to add some cumin. Just a little bit. We got a concoction going on here, folks. The FatCat spice concoction. I really do, though, want this entire thing full, so I'll just keep playing around with it until I get the flavor profile that I'm looking for. You could just use your own favorite barbecue rub, okay? You don't need to do all this here, but I've got it, so why not use it? See how meaty that is? That's what you want. You don't want to see those bones coming through. That means there's not much meat on that rib rack. Okay, I've been letting that sit out. Took it out of the fridge. It's been sitting there for about 40 minutes. Now what we're going to do is put it in this Dollar Tree tin here, because what I want to do is steam it. I'm going to add some chicken bouillon. I use Knorr. You could do this in the oven at about 300, 350 for about 2 hours. What I had to do is cut some little slits here so that the rack would fit in there. You got to improvise sometimes. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in there. Now you could use apple cider, apple juice, water, maybe just add some garlic powder and onion salt. I think I want to add a little bit more water to that. There we go. Perfect. Alright, and just lay that baby on there. We're going to steam it first so it gets nice and tender, and then we'll take it off and finish it off in the grill, on the grill, to caramelize it. I've done something similar to this in the oven. Well, my oven is the outside charcoal grill. Now we're going to cover that up. These Dollar Tree little aluminum things are flimsy, so we want to put it on a tray to carry it out there. Okay, let's go to the outside oven. Okay, so the camera went out, the batteries went out. Oh, dang, I forgot my tongs now. Okay, we're just gonna pick it up for a bit. Yay! Yeah, baby. That's what I'm looking for right there. Onion sauce right over here. Some little onion chunks in there. Oh yeah, this is thrilling. Wow, I just got, a taste of that sauce from the top. Yeah, because I want that, fat on that pork to char up. Oh yeah, we're very close now. Like I said, my camera had a little wonky on me. Oh yeah, babies! It's so exciting. It'll be so good. I'm gonna let that go for, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. We'll be back. We'll be back. Okay, I don't know where I put my tongs. I'm afraid to put this there. The wind might blow it away. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Beautiful. See, oh goodness. See, it's coming apart already. Alright, there we go. I let it rest for about 5-7 minutes. Look at how beautiful that is. Alright, now let's cut into it. Trying to see where the bones are. Oh my gosh. Seriously? This is so tender. Look at that. Can you see how juicy? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Freddie wants some. You gotta do this. I mean, this is insanity. It is so good. I mean, it just comes off the bone. Oh, wow. The flavor.